So this laptop is a much older laptop than we normally see, but it is a Dell excuse me, a Dell Latitude E6520. And we are not going to try to repair this laptop. We are just removing the hard drive so we can back up the data for the customer. These are very easy to remove. It's just 4 simple screws right here and then it pulls out. I'm not sure if this will be an IDE drive or if it will be a SATA drive. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for SATA, because if it's IDE, I'll have to pull out the really old tech machine and hope that it still works. So this is really simple. And they don't make them like this anymore because, you know, laptops are much thinner now. And it is SATA, yay for SATA. But anyway, that's how easy it is. Dell Latitude E6520 to remove the hard drive.